Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Neil and in today's video we're going to tackle another challenging SAT exam question. Let's get started. We have a system of equations and we are going to find the number of solutions that this system of equations have. Before diving into solving this question, I'd like to give you a brief introduction to possibilities for two lines. The first possibility is about parallel lines. You know that if we had these two lines, D and D prime, they are parallel and these two lines never meet, so there is no intersection point, so there is no solution. Second possibility is about intersecting lines. Which means two lines cross at exactly one point. Imagine that this is line D, this is line D prime, and this is intersecting point. X and Y are coordinates of this point, so we have only one solution, one X and one Y. Last but not least, this is coincident lines. This is line D and we have another line like D prime, and they cover each other completely, and in fact two lines are exactly the same and lying one on top of the other. In this case, the slope and y-intercept of two lines are equal, so we have infinite solutions. And now how we can find the number of solutions when we have a system of equation. Okay, so we need to compare the slopes and intercepts of the two lines. Imagine that for line D, we have ax plus by equals c, and for line D prime, we have a prime x plus b prime y equals to c prime. Okay, and now the next step is to compute the ratios of coefficients, which means a over a prime, b over b prime, and c over c prime. If a over a prime equals b over b prime, but is not equal to c over c prime, which means we have parallel lines and there is no solution or zero solution. But if we have a over a prime is not equal to b over b prime, which means we have intersecting lines and there is only one solution. Last but not least, if we have these ratios, a over a prime equal to b over b prime equal to c over c prime, we have coincident lines and there is an infinite number of solutions. So far so good. And now we are going to use all of these informations to solve the question. Okay, and now first of all, I'm gonna find a, b, and c for the first line. This is a, b, and c, and for line D prime, these are a prime, b prime, and c prime. Okay, so let me to find these ratios. A is negative 12, a prime is negative 6, which is positive 2. B is 14, b prime is 7, and if you simplify this, you will have 2. C is 36, c prime is negative 18, and the simplest form is negative 2. So you will have 2 equals 2 is not equal to negative 2, which is about parallel lines. when there is no solution, or we have zero solution. So the answer of this question is zero solution, which is choice D. See you in next video. Bye bye.